Going through Dover right now. Headed back into town. Had a couple loads of shale to go deliver, and then I gotta go get the 5 and load it tonight. Move it somewhere. Northwest Arkansas, I think he said. And move a couple of loads, a couple of track hoes out in Northwest Arkansas while I'm up there. And then come back to load my tractor and maybe get something else. Not really sure. Gotta see how the whole thing goes. But out running loads of shale this morning. Move some equipment later. So I headed back to Russellville now and then back over to Atkins. $4.17. One more load of black shell. Then I'm going. I gotta come back and hammer for a while. Delivered that last load in the red dump truck over there. Now I'm in the skid steer with the hammer, and I'm gonna go make big rocks into little rocks, try and get some shale build up for tomorrow. So I'm gonna run around. Oh Jesus Christ! Run around in this thing for a little bit, hammer away, see what we can come up with. These guys are over here just talking. See Jared's pants, he fell in the lake. he was covered in mud, but he fell in this pond over here. It's hard to see. But yeah, gonna do this for a few hours. Well, it's 7:30. I'm in the pit right now, getting ready to go home. Josh took the stupid keys to the track hoe. Wasn't getting anywhere with the hammer on the on the skid steer. And I can't use the Traco without a stupid key, so I'm going home. I wanted to work at least another hour or so, but can't dig with the Traco without the key, so forget it. I'm hungry. Ashley's got dinner for me, I'm sure by now. And then I still gotta do some computer work and then bed, so I'll be going to bed a little bit later than usual. But for now, we'll see you guys tomorrow.